Fisheries management is the process that creates and enforces the rules that are needed to prevent overfishing and help overfish stocks rebound. Therefore, it is crucial or important to create and enhance rules to prevent overfishing as well as those unexpected problems. Who is the fishery manager? The technical guidelines suggests that fisheries management institutions have two different or major components, which are the Fisheries Management Authority and the interest parties. Fisheries Management Authority is that entity which has been given the mandate by the state to perform specific management functions. In many countries, that authority would be a Department of Fisheries. Interested parties. It is any of other people or organization who may be affected by a situation. The goal of fisheries management. The goal of fisheries management is to produce sustainable biological, social, and economical benefits from renewable aquatic resources. Therefore, having an objective is crucial or important because it helps define goals and it identifies conflicting activities, guide elements of the decision-making process, and secure or ensure accountability of personnel within an organization. How can we make fisheries sustainable? First, prevent overfishing. What is overfishing? Overfishing is basically when you catch too much fish. Overfishing not only leads to an overall degradation to the system, but also damages the ocean's environment. Overfishing leads to many problems. For example, fishing so much that they cannot sustain their population, catching too many adult fishes that they cannot no longer reproduce. This also takes a toll to fishermen because no more fish means they don't earn money. Overfishing worse than you may think. What leads to overfishing? Poor fishing management is the primary cause of overfishing. What can be done to prevent overfishing? First, limit the catch. Second, choose the right seafood. Third, ban the illegal practice. Fourth, create more marine protected areas. Fifth, protect the endangered species. Sixth, cut the duration of fishing season.
Magandang RMMC. My name is Lyn Lozano and I will discuss about fisheries management. So what is fisheries management? It is the integrated process of information gathering, analysis, planning, consultation, decision-making, allocation of resources, and formulation and implementation with enforcement as necessary, of regulation of rules which govern fisheries activities in order to ensure the continued productivity of the resources and accomplishments of other fishery objectives. It aims to achieve the optimal and sustainable utilization of the fishery resources for the benefit of humankind while safeguarding the ecosystem. Fisheries are concerned with fish or shellfish. They mainly deal with catching, processing, and selling fish. Here are some of the most commonly declared objectives of fisheries management.
Resource conservation, food production, generation of economic wealth, generation of reasonable income for fishers, maintaining employment for fishers, and maintaining the viability of fishing communities.
Thank you for listening.
everyone, I'm Ezra Lumba and I'm going to discuss the aquaculture management. Aquaculture is the farming of aquatic plants and animals and can be marine or land-based. It is the controlled process of cultivating aquatic organisms, especially for human consumption. There are two main types of aquaculture, the marine and the freshwater. Marine are distinguished by waters that have a high salt content. Freshwater is any naturally occurring water except seawater and brackish water. There are particular kinds of aquaculture, include the fish farming, the shrimp farming, the oyster farming, the mariculture, the alga culture such as seaweed farming, and the cultivation of ornamental fish. There are also two overarching goals of aquaculture, the maximizing growth rate and the minimizing production cost. A rapid growth rate minimizes the time to achieve a marketable size and decreases risk. The reduction of production costs makes an operation profitable. Aquaculture could help decrease the effects of human consumption of fish in freshwater and marine water habitats by producing food without taking away from the overfished environments. Fish, plants, and shellfish produced in aquaculture farms are also used to rebuild species populations in freshwater and saltwater habitats.